Wake up. Stop sleeping. I wake up at 5 a.m. every morning. Put on. Wear clothes. He put on his jacket before going out. Look for. Search for something. I'm looking for my keys. Brush up on. Improve skills. I need to brush up on my English. Deal with. Handle. She deals with customer complaints. Write down. Record on paper. Write down your ideas. Sit down. Take a seat. Please sit down and relax. Give up. Stop trying. Don't give up on your dreams. Get along with. Have a good relationship. They get along with each other very well. Break up. End a relationship. They broke up last year. Work out. Exercise or solve. I work out every morning. Give away. Donate or reveal. They gave away old clothes. Break down. Stop working. My car broke down yesterday. Put off. Postpone. He put off the meeting until Monday. Turn on. Start a device. Please turn on the TV. Turn off. Stop a device. Don't forget to turn off the lights. Look after. Take care of. She looks after her little brother. Look forward to. Be excited about. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Fill out. Complete a form. Please fill out this form. Stand up. Rise to your feet. Everyone stood up when the teacher entered. Take care of. Look after. I'll take care of the pets. Take off. Remove clothes. She took off her shoes at the door. Run out of. Have no more. We ran out of milk. Come back. Return. She came back home late. Turn up. Increase volume. Turn up the music, please. Turn down. Decrease or reject. She turned down the job offer. Drop off. Leave someone somewhere. He dropped me off at the station. Calm down. Relax. Please calm down and explain slowly. Come in. Enter. Come in and have a seat. Go back. Return to a place. I want to go back to my hometown. Carry on. Continue doing. Carry on with your work. Find out. Discover. I just found out the truth. Get over. Recover. It took her months to get over the illness. Bring up. Mention or raise. He brought up an interesting topic. Look out. Be careful. Look out. A car is coming. Show up. Appear or attend. She didn't show up at the party. Wake up to. Realize. He finally woke up to reality.